In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a coolant reservoir tank in your Nissan Altima, located in the engine bay. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the 10mm bolt on the coolant reservoir tank. Down in the engine bay, there is a fixed bracket where the coolant reservoir sits on. We are going to just lift up on it and give it a little wiggle. Pull that up out of the way. Remove the hose off of the radiator and make sure you're pinching it if you have the reservoir above this hose. This hose going to the radiator usually has a clamp around it. You can just use a pair of pliers to clamp it and pull it back. Dispose of the old coolant out of the bottle or put it into a bottle to reuse it. Then remove the hose and install it on the new one. You can click it into place and the bottle's ready to install. The bracket that slides into the bottle is this one right here. When installing, line up the bracket and push down on the coolant bottle until you're at a height where you're ready to put the screw in. Install the 10mm bolt and snug it down. Reinstall the hose that goes to the radiator. We're going to use a new clamp. We're going to go ahead and clamp this hose down. Fill the coolant reservoir with the proper coolant. Fill your coolant reservoir to the max line. It's indicated on the side of the bottle with a line. And install the cap. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.